What's it really like with newborn twins? The answer? A grueling cycle of feedings, diaper changes, and 3 to 4 hour naps. In this vlog, we chronicle 24 hours with our new babies, Eden and Ava, and give you a glimpse of how it's been going since we brought them home 2 weeks ago.
Let's it.
Alright, so really vlogging the entire day, but to add context, to have to include the fact that it's now 11:30 p.m. and the baby is still not gone to bed yet. This is Eden. This is the buckle she just devoured. Evidence. And you can see her. She look very peaceful, but she giving us hell from 8 o'clock. But
She's
I
not giving
mean,
us no help.
I
She
just
asked for her food.
she's been giving us hell.
No.
She's the sweetest baby though, but yeah.
She just asked for her food.
Yeah. She's sleeping at 11 something. I'm hoping that this will be the last time until the next couple of hours. Let's now look for Ava. Ava is still close to the titty monster. And here she is, again looking very peaceful. And the mother said, I mustn't say that she's giving us hell.
No, she's not giving no trouble.
But they have been eating from 8 o'clock, and hopefully this is the last time that we can put them down finally for the next couple of hours. So, we've been feeding them from about 7:30, 8 o'clock, thereabouts. And they have fed, get breast, get butter, and they basically just take naps like 15-20 minutes, and then they're back up rooting, trying to get more breasts and more butter. Some of the thing they call cluster feeding or whatever, where they just basically eat at night time before bed. So we're still waiting. And bear in mind that they should still, whatever time they decide to go to bed, they should still get up to eat every 2 to 3 hours. So we will have to get up in 2 to 3 hours still to feed them. So let me show you around. So this is basically where we will be running to in the night when they get up in 2 to 3 hours, whenever they decide to go to bed. Yeah, so this is the bar. Enfamil Neuropro is all the bar serves. Even this tin right here, everything in here is virgin. Enfamil Neuropro. We have 2 bottles that are empty, and this is our boiled water for the babies. Over here is the basket of, diapers and Vaseline. This is a spray sanitizer, rubbing alcohol, cotton balls. This alcohol was really for their umbilical cord, the cleaning every day. This is the wipes and changing pad. I just put Eden in the playpen. Now let's take Ava and see if we have success all around. Here's the approach. He goes up, runs to the wicket, puts in a good delivery. Oh! There you have it, guys. That's how you put them to bed. Right, so it's 2:05, and Ava has just woken up. Eden is still sleeping. Ava has woken up, and I took her up So she's now getting breast. After she gets the breast, then I'll top her up with some formula in the bottle. Yeah. Even just got up now, and I'm going to change her first. She's not really up. I'll change her. She'll be having to change, and that would normally get her fully awake. Then she'll go on the breast, and then I'll take Ava from the breast. Ava finished getting breastfeed now, so I'll take Ava and give her a bottle. And then Eden will go to the breast, and when she's through, she will come to me for the bottle. And that would be it for this feed. Just changed her a while ago, but she did another curry chicken serving, so changing her again. Alright, so Ava was having some belly issues, but we just have to be patient with her. Looks like she started out now, just swaddle her back up. And I think she's ready to go back to bed. Alright, so on this particular day, this is not a norm. Not Ava alone having belly issues. For some reason, my belly feeling queasy as well. Feel like something not so right and something that like something soon go down. If you know what I mean. Why are you laughing? Tina belly don't feel right either. So I'm not sure. So she's saying that it must be something with it. What we had last night for dinner was Popeyes. I'm just saying, just putting it out there. The last thing I had was Popeyes for a major meal. I did have a East Indian mango.
Alright.
At about what time was that? Like after 10? 9, 10. No, but Tina never had any of the mango.
Banana.
Yeah, but as that you have a fruit that's different from me and we both have belly problem. We need probably the same meal, the same type of meal. So yeah, it's now 3:30. I don't remember what time I told you that we got up, but we're still in the feeding session. Tina is wrapping up on Eden, who been burped. Then I'll swaddle her up and drop her in the bed, and that should be us until the next 2 to 3 hours. Morning, so I was really hoping for more like a 7:30, but it's 6:30. And Eden has already woken up. She's getting some titty. Trust me, doing this for the greater part of 2 weeks. Right now, I feel so. Man, can't find the word. Tina Zero. Yeah.
What's going on? Don't need the light. Don't need the light. Don't need the light.
What do you want?
Don't need the light.
What you asking me for?
Don't know a light.
Sure. What are you asking Daddy for?
Get this. Get.
One crackers? Tell friends good morning.
Good morning.
Daddy soon come with the crackers, okay?
Daddy.
Yes, Layla, morning.
Apple. Apple.
You want apple?
Yes.
Morning, Layla.
Morning.
Zara, what do you want? Zara, what do you want? Layla, what do you want? Crackers and apple and everybody happy? Zara, if you get crackers, you'll be happy? Layla, if I give you apple, you'll be happy? Okay. Let me say if I give you apple, you'll be happy. Layla took the apple only. Zara took the combo, crackers and apple. So every morning. So every morning.
Morning. Okay. Okay.
Eden is knocked out from her formula. Normally I beat her at this time, but seeing that she knocked out, since she knocked out, just bathe her at the next 2 hours or 3 hours, and she gets up at around 10 o'clock. So I'll have to go back to bed right now. And Ava is on titty still. Still on titty. So she hasn't gotten her formulas yet. It's just like 20 to 8 now. So I'm going to put the we're going to put Eden back to bed and then sort out Ava's formula. So morning, Tina.
Good morning, everybody. I'm tired. I'm very tired.
After the other part of what I need to do now today is figure out breakfast. So Tina is still recovering from C-section wound, or what you want to call it, incision, cut. So she's still not 100% mobile. We're going to keep it easy today and go with Brunswick tuna. Tuna sandwiches, just leave with little salt, pepper, cut up some onions, put some mayonnaise, and boom, toast 2 bread, give her apple and banana, and that should be it for the big people. But little ones know, hoping I can get away with cereal because they're so picky in the morning. Sometimes we do something and they're like, don't want it. When you ask them don't know what they want, but when you do it, they're like, this is not it, daddy. So I'm hoping I can get away with cereal today, cornflakes, and hoping they'll be satisfied and happy. Instead of doing the cereal, so I'm doing pancake for them. using Hungry Jack chocolate chip. From class hands close eyes. One, after three, one, two,
Wait the flower. Wait the flower.
after three, one, two, three. God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our peace. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Alright,
Hallelujah.
praise the Lord.
It now. Amen.
Lord, cool it, hot.
Yeah. Thank you. Daddy, that no long. Yeah. 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 Let's not eat it. Let's not eat it. Let's not eat it. No. Get it. Good get. But you. Make a. Try it. Ready? Come out. Come out.
So how you get this one?
No. Daddy? No. No. Yeah. You won't. No. 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 Bag it. Bag it.
Yeah, so calling for reinforcements. Going to get my mother now. We're really frustrated, so we're going to ask her if she can come and she's going to cook something and yeah, just stay with the babies. Hopefully she can feed them or bathe them or something. Well, they get to catch a little nap. So grandma is here now and she's holding who this? Eden this? She's holding Eden. I knew that. Just checking if mommy remembered. And Eden is looking at grandma like, hey grandma. So Eden just had her bath. I'm going to get Ava already know for her bath. Give the people and say hi friends. What kind of yarn? No, don't yarn. What kind of yarn is that? She's like, I wanna sleep. That's what I say.
I want to eat.
Oh, she's hungry. Alright. So this is Ava now going to get her bath. Ava, hello. Hello, Ava.
I don't want to say anything. Don't talk to me.
The mother drop asleep, you know.
So do you see that in Mommy Kindness?
This one. Ava.
That's
Smile.
grandma smile.
Sorry, don't smile for me.
That's grandma smile. Yes, baby.
She want your attention too.
Look at these beautiful girls, though.
Layla's husband say hi friends.
Kiss her tummy. Come Zara, hold. Come Layla, hold
Look
sister.
at these two beautifuls.
Hold on, Layla. Hold her.
No, so they're not good to eat them now, so they're not supposed to.
Look at her. Love sister, kiss sister. Love you, sis. Sis.
Love you, sister.
Oh dear.
forgetting to get her, but this water must go now. Smile, smile. They're like my real size
Oh, daddy.
Alright, let's go. Quick, quick, quick. Lotion, lotion.
Oh,
Wow!
baby, baby.
Wow! 11:30 feeding for Eden. And their routine in the day is pretty much to eat, sleep, poop, eat, sleep, no trouble until nighttime when they do the cluster feeding. So I expect them to be down again. As soon as she finishes back, we'll probably get a little more breast. And that's it for her until 2 o'clock ish, 2:30, probably 3. Yeah, so this is Ava on breast. And Titty Monster, introduce yourself. This is, remember I told that one of the staff members was on maternity leave? She's back. And
Hey, boy.
she feels many shoes, but today, right now, she's a Titty Monster. So I was going for my mother. This is the chefing that's going on, some fried chicken.
That's right.
Some pumpkin rice.
Here.
And it's the chicken that is going to be going in as well.
Go in.
Where's the fish?
The fish is in the fridge.
Okay, and some fish is pending. Tina eating some cassava chips. The best snack from St. Mary's.
You know what this needs now? This needs some dip. Some I like this, Some guacamole.
Fire pan
Or
avocado.
some salsa.
Yeah, that
Salsa.
is so nice.
Or some salsa.
Fire
Or some
pan
melted
avocado.
cheese.
Awesome. So, Sunday dinner in progress.
Yeah. She's not the pot now.
So mommy finished dinner. Get calm now. It's actually 2:30. I hope I don't get arrested and charged for breaking the law for the curfew. Mommy can't find her key. Reach her house and she can't find her key.
You're not good enough, wife. You're not nice.
But God bless the girl. Started the evening routine. We had dinner, which was great. Now now feeding the babies. I have Ava here. Actually just fed Eden, but she actually threw up the food. So we're going to watch her to see, just to make sure that nothing is amiss with that. But yeah, we've started the routine now after 6, and we let you know when it finished because sometimes these things go forever.
Show these ones
Alright,
here. Watch
so
it, please. Yeah.
that's Mommy Tina and Zara with Eden. Right.
Boy, daddy, you could do better with the names.
I'll get there, guys. Just be patient with me.
Woo!
Be patient with me. Hey, alright, so it's now 20 minutes to 9 on Sunday. And yes, I'm wearing the same white shirt, but I did bathe. I'm not nasty, it's just that I never show you the part where I bathe. So it's been a good day. As you can see, it's very hectic. Between Layla, Zara, Eden, Ava, and Tina. I mean, it's a handful.
What?
Layla and Zara are almost basically in bed. not fully out yet, but they're getting there.
Yeah, they're watching HGTV, so any minute now.
So what we do? Normally we turn on TV on Peppa Pig, but we realize that they stay up like half an hour to an hour just watching Peppa Pig. When they really want them to go to bed, they put on HGTV or Food Network,
Speeds the
and
process.
in no time they're like, I'm out. So they're watching HGTV now. So they should be out in about 5 or so minutes.
I wonder if it would go faster if we put History Channel.
Hey, so it's still Sunday. Tina and I thought that, we had conquered the cluster feeding thing. As you can see, it's now 10:30, and this is Ava having another bottle. They went on basically 8:30, so they're still waiting for the 2 hour thing. Tina and me and Tina decided to put them on 8:30, then chat for an hour in bed. Just a chat. Lose an hour. So basically, that's bed, bro. After 9:30. So Tina, I never hear a thing. Tina touch her and say, get up, get up. I swear it's morning. When I look at the time, when I go outside to get the bottle, when I look at the time, it's 10:30 p.m. Same Sunday.
Really, honey?
Trust me.